Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Bramble on PC. So here you can see I am on my Steam website, and then this is our game that is available on the Steam. So here I am on web browser. However, you can download the Steam application as well. So once you download the Steam application, what you have to do is create your Steam account. So here you have to enter your Steam account name that you want to set. So let's set our name, and now what you have to do is choose your password and make sure the password is strong. And now what you have to do is, once you confirm your password, you have to click on the done option. So now let's confirm our password once again. Now let's click on done. So here it says you can't use space on your Steam name. So let me edit this. And here our Steam account has been created successfully. So next what you can do is log in to your Steam account once you have your Steam account created. And now let's enter our password as well. And now let's sign into our Steam account. So once you do that, your Steam application will open. And then now let's search for Bramble on the search function. So here you can see this is our game, the Bramble, the Mountain King. So next what you have to do is click on add to cart, and then just click on continue shipping. And the last step is to pay for the game using your Steam wallet. So that is how you'll be able to download Bramble on your PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.